Hello friends and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and in today's video we are going to discuss about the registration of HMA membership, that is a Homeopathic Medical Association free membership online registration. So in today's video we are going to see how to register for this membership of Homeopathic Medical Association. So let's get started. As you can see, I am on Google homepage. I'm going to just paste the URL over here. The URL is https://www.hma2012.com/ and click on enter. It will take you to this particular site. Here, as you can see, it's written welcome to the official website of Homeopathic Medical Association. You can see this is the home page. Okay, then there are articles about HMA. Okay, if you want to read, there are news, jobs, and there are various important updates about the homeopathic field. So we'll go back to the home page. Here you can see below, click on AIPGET mock test. Below that you can see free membership, online registration, HMA membership. Okay, and then there are many Hindi and English articles over here. I'm going to click on the registration and membership here, and it will give you this kind of a form. This is known as the annual membership form for HMA, and it says note, non-BHMS candidates are not allowed. So at least to fill this form you have to be a BHMS, you have to be an intern or a doctor or MD, or you should have completed some sort of degree in homeopathy. Okay, so it says please provide correct information in this form. Upload your college ID photo or registration certificate photo, whichever is applicable. Upload passport size photo. Photograph size must be less than 1 MB, and membership certificate will be issued post verification of provided information. Now membership certificate will be sent on registered email ID within 15 days of online form submission. Okay, the same thing is written here in Hindi. Now the name and photo associated with your Google account will be recorded when you upload files and submit this form. So make sure that you are using your own Google account during submission, because it also verifies whether you have the original Google account by checking the display picture on your Google account. Okay, and here it is mentioned star mark is required field. So here you have to mention the email address. You have to mention whether you're a doctor MD, doctor BHMS, student or intern. You have to mention your full name in capital letters, and don't use doctor before name, otherwise it will print twice on the certificate. Okay, so you have to mention your gender, father's or husband's name in capital letters only, date of birth, qualification with name of board or universities, residential address, district in full, do not use short forms, and state and pin code, WhatsApp number, registered in board or council, which board you are registered in, and college name for students, clinic or establishment name or employer name for doctors. Okay, and registration number. Then again upload college ID photo if you're a student, or registration certificate photo if you're a doctor, and upload passport size photograph. Please upload photograph in image format only, that is JPG, and you have to have a maximum size of 1 MB, so your photo should be below 1 MB. Now experience or achievement or any other thing you want to share. So after you fill out this form, you can just click on send me a copy of my responses if you want here, and then click on submit. Since I haven't filled the form, I'll just fill it first and then I'll click on submit. So as you can see, I have filled my form and I'm going to click on submit now. Let's see what happens. It is asking me to verify my identity. So I'm just going to verify. Select all images with a fire hydrant. So I guess, yeah. So here you can see annual membership form HMA. Non-BHMS candidate are not allowed. Membership certificate will be issued post verification of the provided information. The membership certificate will be sent on registered email ID within 15 days of online form submission. Okay, so I have submitted it today. So I have to wait 15 days to get the form. And by that time I've got a mail saying thanks for filling in annual membership form HMA. Here's what we received from you, that is upload of college ID or registration certificate and uploaded ID photo, uploaded passport size photograph. Membership certificate will be issued post verification of provided information and membership certificate will be sent on registered email ID within 15 days of online submission. This video was all about Homeopathic Medical Association registration online annual membership form, and you can go and fill those forms. And if you have any issues or any problems regarding how to fill the form or if you have any other questions regarding this annual membership, you can comment in the comment section below and I will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates.